same with the brake, and I put the nickel copper, you know, that it's like twice the price of steel line.
Yeah, man. First ride of the season in the Taurus.
It's an alloy of nickel and copper, so it's got the ductility of copper, but the strength of nickel. And I shaped all new lines with brake lines. So that changed all the hoses, wheel cylinders.
Man, I'm an idiot. I didn't film the car from the front. Oh, well. Sure you don't want to go get pulled over again on Cavendish?
I know you're going to complain. We always take the same route. But,
no, I'm not complaining. I'm happy it's just gorgeous today. I'm happy to see my friend, happy to see my friends take a ride, you know. It's a privilege. Even if the rear window here doesn't roll down, it's fine. It doesn't matter. It's not freaking 30 degrees here.
Could be on the child window lock. No, it's on.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, but it's not. At least it's locked in
Does this one roll down?
Position. No. The two back ones don't work.
That's funny. Ah, it's a high mileage car. It's typical. It's a typical thing to go with. They probably never don't roll down because they weren't used enough at all. Probably did it too. That's why they seized. Hey, you want to go down Summerlight, see if I can get that fire truck responding?
No, too many cops.
We're not doing anything illegal.
No, what we did when we drove the Corvette.
Oh, but that was different. I was sitting all crooked in the back. I was sitting like I'm lying in a couch or a hammock because I'm so tall. And the two cops were like,
they're always suspicious.
They were wet behind the ears. What do you want, man? You know? No, Nick, it's true. They're both in their 20s for crying out loud. One of them was like a woman, and she's. Well, anyway, I'm not going to go further. There's that church I love. And that's the way it is. You know, they didn't know. They didn't know.
Got the leather roof there.
They didn't know that because we were in Ed's Corvair, and cars made in '65 and earlier, or before '65, didn't have seatbelts in the rear. So they're like, "Where's the seatbelts?" I'm like, "What? They bought that shit." They didn't know, man. They didn't know.
Yeah, maybe I'll try that. What you were saying, Nick, disconnecting just the electrical.
Yeah, just the electrical wires.
Just the electrical, and then it won't put a load, and if it starts like, okay,
That's all.
but that makes sense. I was trying to figure out because the alternator's under load when you start, right?
That's it,
So that could be.
I mean, it's a simple thing to try and get right there.
Why always start with the easy stuff? Eh? Gonna go crazy. Amazon never stops.
No.
Never. Not even on Sunday. Not even on Victoria Day today.